The development of a human embryo is a complex, finely-tuned process that unfolds over the course of 40 weeks, divided into 3 trimesters. This article provides a week-by-week account of the embryonic and fetal development, focusing on critical milestones in cellular differentiation, organogenesis, and growth. Weeks 1 to 2, fertilization and early cell division. Fertilization, day 1. Development begins with the fusion of a sperm and an egg to form a zygote. This single cell contains all genetic material necessary for the formation of a human. Cleavage, days 2 to 3. The zygote undergoes rapid mitotic divisions, forming a cluster of cells called a morula. Blastocyst formation, days 4 to 5. The morula develops into a blastocyst, a hollow structure containing the inner cell mass, which will become the embryo, and the outer trophoblast, which contributes to the placenta. Implantation, day 6 to 12. The blastocyst embeds itself into the uterine lining, initiating the production of human chorionic gonadotropin, HCG. Week 3, gastrulation and germ layer formation. The embryonic disc forms 3 germ layers. Ectoderm becomes the skin, nervous system, and sense organs. Mesoderm forms muscles, bones, cardiovascular system, and connective tissues. Endoderm develops into the digestive tract, lungs, and other internal organs. The primitive streak marks the beginning of bilateral symmetry and body axis formation. Week 4, neural development and early organogenesis. The neural tube, the precursor to the brain and spinal cord, begins to close. The heart starts beating by day 22 to 23, marking the first detectable sign of organ function. Somates, which give rise to the vertebrae and musculature, appear along the embryo's length. Week 5, rapid brain development. The brain's primary vesicles, forebrain, midbrain, and hindbrain, become distinct. The heart continues to develop chambers, and blood circulation begins. Limb buds, which will develop into arms and legs, become visible. Week 6, formation of facial features and organ primordia. Facial structures, including the eyes, ears, and nose, start to take shape. The liver begins producing blood cells, and the kidneys form their early structures. Hands and feet show paddle-like shapes with emerging digital rays. Week 7, refinement of major organs. The heart's septum forms, separating it into 4 chambers. The digestive system begins elongation and folding, while the intestines temporarily herniate into the umbilical cord. The skeleton starts ossification, replacing cartilage with bone in certain regions. Week 8, end of the embryonic period. By the end of week 8, the embryo is approximately 30 mm long. All major organs are in place, though they are immature. The tail disappears, and the body begins to straighten. Weeks 9 to 12, early fetal development. The fetus grows rapidly, reaching 8 cm by week 12. External genitalia differentiate, allowing sex determination via ultrasound by the end of this period. The nervous system matures enough to allow reflexive movements, and the kidneys begin to produce urine.